श्री महागणपते नमः। श्री सरस्वते नमः। श्री बालनरसिंह सरस्वती श्री दत्तात्रेयाय नमः। ओम दुम दुर्गाय नमः। दुम दुर्गाय नमः। दुम दुर्गाय नमः। जय काली मंगलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवरात्रि स्वाहा स्वधा नमस्ते। दुम दुर्गाय नमः। दुम दुर्गाय नमः। दुम दुर्गाय नमः। भद्र करे तेरे दार हाथ पसार उतार तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतार तेरी आरती। भद्र करे तेरे द्वार हाथ पसार उतार तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतार तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतार तेरी आरती। भद्र करे तेरे द्वार हाथ पसार उतार तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतार तेरी आरती। जागो है सीता मैया जागो है राधा मैया जागो है सीता मैया जागो है राधा मैया जागो है जागो भद्रकाली जागो। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतारे तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतारे तेरी आरती। जागो है पराशक्ति जागो है महाशक्ति जागो है पराशक्ति जागो है महाशक्ति जागो है जागो महाकाली जागो। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतारे तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतारे तेरी आरती। जागो है अम्बे भवानी जागो है चंडी रानी जागो है अम्बे भवानी जागो है चंडी रानी जागो है जागो महारानी जागो। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतारे तेरी आरती। जागो है देवी माँ भद्रकाली माँ उतारे तेरी आरती। दुर्गति नाशिनी दुर्मत मेदिनी दुश्री सोदरी दुर्गाम्मा रवि सतवासिनी रजनी कराशिनी रक्त सुतोषिनी ललितम्मा रक्त सुतोषिनी दुर्गाम्मा रक्त सुतोषिनी ललितम्मा दुम 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 दुर्गा गणपति तुलसी गणपत पूरी गणपति दुर्गा गणपति तुलसी गणपत पूरी गणपति दुर्गा पावनी रूपिणी पावनी शोगिनी पालय पावनी ललितम्मा पावनी रूपिणी पावनी शोगिनी पालय पावनी ललितम्मा पालय पावनी ललितम्मा पालय पावनी ललितम्मा हिमगिरिवासिनी सत्यनायिनी हर हर कारिणी दुर्गाम्मा हिमगिरिवासिनी सत्यनायिनी हर हर कारिणी दुर्गाम्मा दुर्वर रूपिणी मृत विशालिनी सदानन्दिनी ललितम्मा दुर्वर रूपिणी मृत विशालिनी सदानन्दिनी ललितम्मा सचिदानन्दिनी ललितम्मा सचिदानन्दिनी दुर्गाम्मा
प्रेम से बोलो श्री आदिशक्ति भवानी माता की। पर्यावरण संजो आप लोग खड़ा हो जाइए देवी मैया की आरती के लिए। लेट अस ऑल स्टैंड एज वी हैव श्री देवी माता आरती। पर्यावरण सज्जनों, मैं आप लोगन रवा लोग के स्वागत करता बा। Welcome each and every one of you. To the kind courtesy of all the sponsors that made it possible. When I say sponsors, I mean people who have contributed physically in the mandir, who have given finances, who have given kind to the mandir. To those who have sponsored the program on ITV, that we are live on ITV. Tonight our Judge Kartya is Mr. and Mrs. What we call him Jaco. Mr. and Mrs. Ram Sahai Kumar, we call him Anpuri, and their son Sanjay and Julahin and daughter is here sitting with them this evening. Vanita cannot be here tonight, so we will see her sometime in the week. And before we enter into Katha and opening prayer, I would like to, as I said, this is our 23rd, good to remember, 23rd Devi Utsav. This year, Navratri make me 31 years doing puja. And since I have started performing puja, there are certain families have been with me, certain people have been with me from the outbreak, from the onset of performing puja and mandir, and one family and one person who has been with me since the beginning. Auntie Indrani is sitting there in the audience with us, and Kumar and his family. When I started to do Sunday service, it was only two of them, Kumar, his wife, and the two little children. Now the children have children. And Auntie Indrani, so how much? And then Kumar mother. So that's how much are we? All the check now, how much? 4, 5, 6 people started Sunday service. And it grew. And from there onwards, this family has accepted me as their pandit, and I'm here. I've done the children's wedding now, see their grandchildren. So I'm happy that when these members, they always tell me they will be with me, they will help me, they will assist with me. And they are one of the stalwart families that have been with me for the past 31 years. And I asked Kumar, he said, I want to cook a night for the yajna, I said, you ever only cook, bhai, you go sit down one time. And they sponsored the meals tonight and everything tonight. You see, people have the ego that the pandit is everything. But pandit is nothing without judgment. Without the people to perform puja or to have satsang with, then you are nothing. And if every leader understands this, that it's the people that put you where you are, and the people can take you away from that position, then you have humility. So my friends, let us now clasp our hands and close our eyes as we join in prayer with all devotees here. We have devotees from the Ganesh Mandir in Suchit Trace, where I performed yajna during Ganesh Utsav, 110th Ganesh Utsav. I was able to be blessed to be with them, and some of the members of the Mandir are here tonight. We have devotees from Thompson Trace tonight, Balgobin family, who have been supporting us in and out. Many of you are here. My brother Kuki from Sandi Grandi. Let us all pray together, asking Bhagwan to bless us, take away the darkness in our hearts and minds. Let us be free from the attachments and addictions of this world that will only cause us pain and sorrow. O Divine Ma Durga, as we worship you tonight, sit within our hearts, sit within our minds, and guide us as we pray together. Hari Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Sri Saraswatye Namaha Sri Ramachandraya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. Mata Pita Charana Kamalebhyo Namah. Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Sri Guru Ramananda Namaha. Vyas Muni Namostute. Ekaradan gaj badan ke Bhagavantau kar jori. Kirpa karaho Shivanandana. Bodhi barhai jehi mori. Vyasa yadi narapungava. Narada Adi Munisa. Dinakar Brahma Shesha Guru. Sab kaho naun sisa. Jayanti Mangala Kali. Bhadrakali Kapalini. Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri. Swaha Swadha Namostute. Jaya Tvang Devi Chamunde. Jaya Bhutarti Harni. Jaya Sarvagate Devi. Kalaratri Namostute. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha.
Om Durgaye Namaha. Om Durgaye Namaha. Shanti, 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 Hari Om.
Jai Sul Durga Maiya ki
Jai.
And so, before we enter into Katha this evening, we are going to do a praise to Divine Mother of the Universe. That to your lotus-like feet, we are worshipping every day. Oh Mother, every day we are singing your praises. Oh Mother, oh merciful Mother, we worship to you. It's a pachra that is sung in Banaras. कि तोहरी चरनिया में लागली लगनिया. एक मयरिया हमारी ना. ओ मयरिया हमारी ना. होला भई होला नी भजनिया हे मयरिया हमारी ना. होला भई होला नी भजनिया हे मयरिया हमारी ना. हे मयरिया हमारी ना. हे मयरिया हमारी ना. होला भई होला नी भजनिया हे मयरिया हमारी ना. माला धूप नरियर चढ़े तोहरी चरनिया. ए मयरिया हमरी ना. ए मयरिया हमरी ना. निबिया की डरिया यसनिया हे मयरिया हमरी ना. निबिया की डरिया असनिया हे मयरिया हमरी ना. ए मयरिया हमरी ना. हाय महरिया हमरी. होला भई होला नी भजनिया हे मयरिया हमरी. Oh Mother, Mala, Dhoop, Nariyar, I will offer garlands to you, incense to you, coconut I will charhawe at your feet, upon the branches of the neem. Oh Divine Mother, you sit, we pray to you, we worship to you every day. Oh Durga Mai. हाँ, तोहरे खप्पर वाली शीतला बहनिया, ए मयरिया हमरी ना, ए मयरिया हमरी ना, तुहई शारदा भवनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, तुहई शारदा भवनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, ए मयरिया हमरी ना, हाय मयरिया हमरी, होला भई होला नी भजनिया हे। Oh mother, you are Khappar Wali. You are holding the skull in your hand together with all the Devis around you. You are Saraswati Mata. We bow to you, O Adi Sakti Bhavani. Ha. महिमाय पार तोहरी जाने सारी दुनिया, ओ मयरिया हमरी ना, ए मयरिया हमरी ना, बिटवा गावेला कहानिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, बिटवा गावेला कहानिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, ए मयरिया हमरी ना, हाय महरिया हमरी, होला भई होला नी भजनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, होला भई होला नी भजनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, तुहरी चरनिया में लागली लगनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, होला भई होला नी भजनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, होला भई होला नी भजनिया, हे मयरिया हमरी ना, होला भई होला नी भजनिया। Everyone knows your fame. Everyone knows of you in the whole world, O Mother. We bow to your lotus-like feet. आज रात की कथा अष्टमो अध्याय श्री देवी भागवतम प्रथम स्कंद। भगवान विष्णु जोग माया के अधीन क्यों हो गया? सूजी द्वारा उन्हें आज शक्ति भगवती की महिमा सुनना। ऋषियों के इस प्रश्न के उत्तर में सूजी द्वारा उन्हें आदि शक्ति भगवती की महिमा सुनना। Tonight Katha is taken from Devi Bhagavatam, the first volume of Devi Bhagavatam, the 8th chapter, Ashtamadhyaya. Bhagavan Vishnu is always at the mercy of Yog Maya Devi. When time for destruction of the universe comes, Yog Maya brings sleep to Lord Vishnu. So you hear the Katha all the time. He's at the mercy of Devi. The rishis are asking to Narad, to Suji Maharaj, that Suji Bhagwan, tell us the greatness of this Devi. Why is she the highest to be worshipped? My friends, many people worship, the beauty in Sanatana Dharma is that we don't discriminate. However you worship, you are worshipping, as I said last night. And we as good Hindus, Sanatanis, we must never discriminate against another fellow Hindu brother and sister. They pray how they know how to pray. Who knows what is the best way? Bhagwan Ram went by a lady who lived in the forest. She name was Sabari. What did she know, bhai? What did she know compared to all the educated people who were living there? But who did God go by? Whose heart is clean, whose mind is clean. There was a katha. One saint, his name was Bolaram. So Bolaram, he was not, when you initiate, you go to the guru house and you stay. Anybody named Bolaram? So you go to the guru house to stay, but this boy wasn't the educated boy. He was the least educated boy. He was, we say, how we say, he danced a little bit, nah? So the Guru had so much love for all his chela, he didn't discriminate who was intelligent and who was not. But he had a little love, for somehow or the reason he had a love for Bolaram. So one day the Guru, he tell Bolaram, he say, Bolaram, I'm going out. But you have to see body God today for me, eh? You will take care of the puja for me to the God. So, Bolaram say, okay, Guruji, Bolaram, when time to do all puja, just as heard we have the established murti here, lunchtime we have puja in the morning, we offer prasad to Devi Ma, and lunchtime, whether people sponsor food and it's coming from outside or we cooking here, meals are prepared in a mandir for Devi Ma. When we have Ganesh festival, we cook savi and all of them. Lunchtime we have to give bhog, how you go eat one time, you get gas. So we give the Lord lunch. That is how it is in India. 3 times a day you give to God food. And you does eat 3 times? You does eat more? 5 times? Die why? Alright. So, he prepared the lunch for the God. And when he gone now, he telling, carry the food. Poor fella here, bright, you know. What does he know? He carried the tharya by Lord Shiva and he said, eat, eat. Eat. How is the Murti going to eat? How is the Murti going to eat? Eat. But what happened? God isn't eating. The marble Murti cannot eat. Eat. My Guru going to beat me. He tell me I have to feed you. Eat. Murti, you eat. He take a stick. He say, if you don't eat here, I'm going to beat you. Because my Guru said to feed you. And he take the whip to hit Mahadev Murti and Lord Shiva holy hand. Just as we have Bhagwan Shiva Parivar with Lord Shiva and Parvati Mata, Bhagwan Shiva and Parvati Mata appeared. And Ma Parvati and Lord Shiva, they feed he and them and all eat from the tharya and they disappear. Well, what he go do? He gonna wash the wares and he gonna put it away. But usually when we offer prasad, now you leave a little bowl or something with prasad or some food. When the Guru come back now, he asks, nobody give bhog today for the God? The chela say, yes, Bolaram gone, but like he eat it. Me I see nothing. The Gurus get angry. He say, I tell you to feed the God, you feed the God. Yes, I feed him. How you feed him? And you say to feed him, I feed him. And the Guru sat in meditation. He saw that the Lord manifested and eat the whole food. The Guru fell at the feet of the chela. Guruji, what you doing? He said, I pray to God every day and I never see him. I send you one day and you see him. All the mantras the Guru know, did he compel Lord Shiva to come? All the knowledge the Guru had and all the chelas had, did they compel Lord Shiva to come? But a pure heart and mind in believing that you will eat, the Lord ate. Was telling to you and I, you don't have to know anything except I love my God. I surrender to the Lord. I serve you, O Lord. I give my life to you. Do you believe? So today, who is the greatness of all the deities according to Devi Bhagavatam? And so, the rishis are asking, they are asking to Suji Maharaj, as we chant Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, let us say what transpires. Devi Mata ki
Jai! Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, 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 श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम
ब्रह्मा विष्णुश्चरुद्रस्तत्रयो देवा सनातना नातः परतरं किञ्चित् ब्रह्माण्डे महामते
श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम
ब्रह्मा श्रीतति लोके वै विष्णुपतिलं जगत् रुद्रसंहर्तरे काले त्रयकारणं बोलो
श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम
ओम नमो नारायणाय कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। हे महामते, वेदों शास्त्रों पुराणों तथा बुद्धिमान लोगों की सदा से यह अवधारण रही है कि ब्रह्मा विष्णु तथा शंभु ये तीनों देवता सनातन है और इस ब्रह्मांड में इनसे बढ़कर अन्य कोई नहीं है। And so the rishis are telling to Suji Maharaj, we hear that that it is said by the wise men and written in the Vedas, the Puranas, the Shastras, that Brahma, Vishnu and Lord Shiva, these three devatas are eternal. Sanatan mean eternal, they cannot die. And none is superior to them in the whole creation, the Brahmand, the creation. Creation is great. How big is the universe? Scientists tried to ascertain. Just recently, about 2 days ago, there was a document coming out that the universe does not die. And they don't know how big this universe is. And they don't know when it started. And the universe cannot die and does not die. ब्रह्मा जगत का सृजन करने है, विष्णु पालन करते हैं और शंकर जी प्रलय काल में संहार करते हैं. Lord Brahma is the creator. Lord Vishnu sustains it all. And Bhagwan Shankar, he destroys it all. ये तीनों ये इसमें कारण है. These three of them, they are one. ब्रह्मा विष्णु और महेश, ये तीनों देवता एक ही. Both of them are, three of them are one. ब्रह्मा विष्णु और महेश are one power. ये मूर्ति तीन स्वरूप है. ये लोग क्रमशः रज सत्व और तम गुणों से युक्त होकर अपना कार्य करते हैं. And each of them are endowed with the gunas sato, rajo and tamo. Rajogun is action. Tamogun is destruction. And Satogun is purity. Brahma ji is Rajogun. He creates, he's the action. Vishnu ji, Bhagwan Vishnu ji, he is the sustainer. So he is Sato. And Bhagwan Shankar, at the end of it all, brings everything to nothing. He is Tamogun. And so telling, Namo Narayanaय Namo Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, उन तीनों में माधव पुरुषोत्तम आदिदेव जगन्नाथ श्री हरि श्रेष्ठ है. Amongst the three of them, Lord Vishnu, he is the highest. The different name of Lord Shiva, Madhav, पुरुषोत्तम, आदिदेव, जगन्नाथ, श्री हरि, he is the highest. वे सभी कार्य संपादित करने में समर्थ है. अनुपम तेज वाले विष्णु जी से बढ़कर सर्वसमर्थ अन्य कोई भी नहीं है. उन जगत पति विष्णु जी को जोग माया ने विवश करके भला कैसे सुला दिया. And so they are telling that this Lord Vishnu, being the greatest of all, there is none compared with him and his prowess, then how is it that Yogmaya Devi could make Hari go asleep, can make him senseless? Tell me, how could this happen? And even when he goes senseless, how can he not die nor wither away? How can this happen? This is our greatest doubt. Can you explain to us and remove this doubt? If Bhagwan Vishnu is the highest, then how Yogmaya Devi can put him to sleep and take away all his power? They continue to ask him. And as we chant Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, we hear praise of Devi Mata ki
Jai Sri Durga Sharanam Mama 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 Sri Durga Sharanam
कासा सकते पुरा प्रोक्ता यया विष्णुर्जित प्रभु उदो जाता कथम सत्य का शक्तिर व्रत बल
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama Sri Durga Sharanam Mama
यस्तु सर्वेश्वरो विष्णुर्वासुदेवो जगद्गुरु परमात्मा परमानंद सच्चिदानंद विग्रह गाओ
Durga Sharanam Mama Sri Durga Sharanam Mama Sri Durga Sharanam Mama Sri Durga Sharanam
ओम नमो नारायणाय कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जो विष्णु है वे तो सबके ईश्वर वासुदेव जगत गुरु परम आत्मा परम आनंद स्वरूप तथा सच्चिदानंद की साक्षात मूर्ति है। सब कुछ करने में समर्थ, सबका पालन करने वाला, सभी चराचर का सृजन करने वाला, रजोगुणों गुण से रहित सर्वव्यापी और पवित्र है। वे परात्पर विष्णु निद्रा की पर तंत्रता में कैसे आबद्ध हो गया? And so they are asking the question that if Bhagwan Vishnu is the highest deity, the everlasting supreme bliss of the whole universe, there is no one beyond him. He is divine ecstasy, Sachidananda. Then how Yogmaya Devi can conquer him? He is the guru of the whole world. He is the creator, he is the sustainer, he is the reabsorber, he is the omnipresent God. He is beyond Rajogun. How could he be brought to an unconscious state? Sujji Maharaj, you are very intelligent. Please tell us why this can happen. See, we are accustomed to, we do our Devi Puja, we worship to the Devi, we say this is Mother, and and so forth and so forth. But who is this Devi? And Sri Durga Sharanam Sujji Maharaj begin to give the explanation. Praise of Durga Maiya ki
Jai Sri Durga Sharanam Mama 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 Sri Durga Sharanam
Kasandeham vinateyam Jailokacharatere Muhyanti muni kamam Brahma putra सनातना गो
दुर्गा शरणं मम श्री दुर्गा शरणं मम
नारद कपिलश्चैव प्रश्नेऽस्मि मुनि सतमं किं भीमि महाभागा दुर्घटे संवनं बोलो
दुर्गा शरणं मम श्री दुर्गा शरणं मम श्री दुर्गा शरणं मम श्री दुर्गा शरणं
नमो नारायणाय नमः नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। सूची बोले कि हे मुनिजन, इस चराचर जगत में कौन ऐसा है जो इस शंका का समाधान कर सके, जबकि ब्रह्मा के पुत्र संकादिक मुनि तथा नारद कपिल आदि इस भी विषय में मोहित हो जाते हैं। हे मुनि श्रेष्ठ, हे महाभाग, तब इस जटिल समस्या के समाधान में मैं क्या कहूँ? So he is telling, in replying to them, Suji Maharaj, who is so humble, he is so highly respected and divine souls. There is no other in the whole three universes, three lokas, can clear this doubt. The mind-born son of Brahma, Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, Brahma, his mind-born son, Narad Muni, Kapil Muni, and other eternal sons of Brahmaji, they get confused when this question is given to them. And if they are the highest divine spiritual beings, and they get confused when they are asked the same question, if Vishnu Bhagwan is the greatest, how could a Devi put him to sleep? If they are so confused, then how could I give you an answer? How much more confused am I? देवतन में भगवान विष्णु ही सर्वव्यापी एवं सभी भूतों रक्षक कहे गए हैं। इन ही से इस चराचर समस्त विराट संसार की सृष्टि हुए है। He telling people see this Lord Vishnu as the omnipresent, the omniscient, the all-pervading Lord. There is nowhere in this world that God is not. He is everywhere. He is the best of all the devatas. And according to everyone, the whole creation, charachar, animate and inanimate creation, has been created by the Lord Vishnu. They create, this is this Lord. वे सभी देवतन परात्पर परमात्मा को नमस्कार करके नारायण, ऋषिकेश, वासुदेव, जनार्दन रूप में उनकी उपासना करते हैं. These devas, these holy beings, all these rishis and munis, they declare him the greatest. They pay obeisance to him. They call him Narayan. They call him Hrishikesh. They call him Vasudev. They call him Janardhan. Many names, and they worship to him. कुछ लोग महादेव, शंकर, शशि शेखर, त्रिनेत्र, पंचवक्त्र, शूलपाणी और वृषभ ध्वजक के रूप में उन्हीं की उपासना करते हैं. Whereas others worship to Lord Shiva, who has a moon on his forehead, who has 3 eyes and 5 heads, who is Shulapani, carrying the Trisul in his hand, and the flag of Lord Shiva has the bull on it. I remember many years ago when I was doing puja, and I put up the flag of Lord Shiva with the bull on it. People say the Pandit put up that day because he is Charhawe animal. But Bhagwan Shiva is called Vrishiketu. Vrishabketu meaning, Ketu meaning flag, Vrishab meaning bull. The Nandi bull emblem is on the flag of Lord Shiva. Just as when the flag for Lord Vishnu has a Garur sitting, the flag of Lord Shiva has what? Nandi. So people worship to that God whose symbol or emblem is that of the bull on the flag. सभी वेदों भी त्रयंबक, कपर्दिनी, पंचवक्र, गौरी देहराधन धारी कैलाश बासी सर्व शक्ति समन्वित भूत गणों से सर सेवित एवं दक्ष यज्ञ विध्वंस आदि नामों से उनकी गुणगान किया है. And they call him by many names. They call him Triambak. The mandir is Triambakeshwar Mahadev Mandir. He lives with his wife Gauri Mata at his side, residing in Kailas. That Lord, who is surrounded by all the powers, who has all the powers, who is surrounded by all his soldiers and all his devotees, all the bhutas. That Lord, who destroyed the yajna of Raja Daksh, who is called by many names, and they sing his praises in many ways. That Lord, हे महाभागो वैदिक विद्वान लोग सूरज आदि नामों से भी नित्य प्रातः स्वयं तथा मध्य काल में संध्या करते समय विविध प्रकार की स्तुतियों से उन्हीं प्रार्थना करते हैं. And people also, Suji is telling, they pray to God as a son. According to the Vedas, sun is worshipped, no other. As a physical form of the God, the sun. And they worship the sun 3 times. In the morning, Gayatri, Savitri, Sandhya. Morning, noon and evening, and mantras are said to worship to the Surya 3 times a day. So they worship the sun as the God, according to the Vedas. सभी वेदों में सूर्य उपासना श्रेष्ठ कही गई है तथा उन महात्मा का नाम परमात्मा कहा गया. And they call God Paramatma, the great soul. They call the sun the Paramatma, the great soul. वेदों में सर्वत्र वेद ज्ञों द्वारा अग्निदेव भी स्तुति की गई है. वहाँ त्रिलोकेश इंद्र वरुण तथा अन्य देवतन की भी स्तुति की गई है. And the Vedas also telling that Agni is worshipped as a god. According to the Rig Veda, the first mantra in the Rig Veda, Agni Mile Purohitam, is explaining that Agni is God. Because Agni, the fire, has the quality of God. Because when you light a fire and the fire starts blazing, anything you throw into the fire, it will lose its identity, not so? If you take ghee and you throw it in the fire, when the fire out, you go find ghee? No, you'll find ashes. If you throw anything, coconut in the fire, and it burn away, what you will find after? Sugar cake, you get ashes. So to God is like this, that come into the Lord, merge your mind into the Lord, and your identity with this world will burn away and you will become free. What is freedom? Freedom is getting away from jail. Can you sit here tonight and think about what is jail? Jail is a confining place, not so? Jail is a place where you cannot have any freedom. Jail is a place where your life is determined by someone else. Not so, Lawrence? When you will eat, when you will sleep, and when you go bed even is determined in jail. We are living in jail because we are living under the power of illusion. Illusion has caught our lives and imprisoned us, that we are trapped in the birth cycle. But freedom is freedom from the birth cycle. But how can you escape the birth cycle? Is only when you begin to divorce yourself from the attachment of the world. In this world, if you work hard, and you make money, you have a nice house, and tomorrow you lose it, what you will do? Get depressed, no? But ask yourself, has the wealth, has the property, has the position that I once held, will that help me to become free? Because we are so deeply drowning in illusion, you cannot understand what I'm saying. Because this world is not true. Tell me, has anyone died and carried anything from this world? That is a lesson, but it don't sink in our mind because we are all, including myself, so materially addicted, we don't understand the truth. That we are here just to live, to fuel our spirituality by this world, to escape, nothing else. Just like the lotus flowers. A cookie. Last night we will do that puja, na? The lotus flower is the highest of all the flowers because it teaches you liberation. It lives in the dirty water. If you feel alive, just walk down in the back there, you will see have a pond in our mandir with lotus flowers. The leaf on the water, but the flowers above, not being sullied by the dirt and the muck of the pond. Not so. It's telling you you are born here, you are living here, use here just to fuel your spirit, to escape. No matter how young you are, no matter how old you are, no matter how sinful you think you are, no matter how sinless you think you are, we are all still in this pond of murky, dirty human existence. But unless we don't come out of it, meaning you don't give up your house. Who will give you a house, place to sleep? You go and tell somebody, "Hi, Mia Hanoi, can you give me a bed in your house to sleep?" You go by some people, "I am hungry." The fellow say, "I'm more hungry than you." Who will give? Who will help? In Kali Yuga, according to this Narad Puran, you have to liberate yourself. You have to do the work for liberation. Nothing is wrong with your money. Nothing is wrong with your education. Nothing is wrong with your social standing. But use it to fuel your spirit. You understand what I'm saying? I want a good job. Will the job keep me at the feet of the Lord, or will the job keep me away from the Lord? Some people say, "I want to get married." What kind of wife or what kind of husband you're going to get? Is my wife or my husband going to help me walk the spiritual pathway? Is my wife or my husband going to work with me and walk with me and encourage me, and I will encourage him or her as well, as we will walk together the spiritual pathway? Or you going to sing "Do Rang Duniya Mein," or what?
Do Rasate.
Oh, Do Rasate. You know that song? I went to see that movie, you know, and Rajesh Khanna singing Hare Rama Hare Krishna, and his wife Lotela, and he's singing the song "Do Rang Duniya Mein" or "Do Rasate." This world had two different colors and two different roads. Sometime when you try to walk the spiritual life, people will pull you down. People will insult you. People will belittle you. People will hurt you. But that is the way of the world. Do rang duniya mein aur do rasate. You see how TV good? You must learn something, no? Two worlds, two roads, two colors. The world is black and white, if you want to put it like this way. Which road do you want to walk? The pathway of enlightenment, which is a lonely pathway. You will have no friends. You have the most enemies. Or you want to walk the pathway with everybody, so all of you go down to hell together. The popular way is the way of illusion. And this is what we have to fight with every moment in our lives. Every moment. And what happens? As he's speaking, Namo Narayanaaya Nama Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Agni Devata is worshipped as a fire god. And some people telling, people worship Indra, Agni, Varun, all these devatas in the Havan. And they perform Havan calling his god name. In the ancient Vedic Havan, they say Om Shri Ganaye Swaha, Om Somaya Swaha, Om Prajapataye Swaha, Om Indraya Swaha. These are the first set of mantras that is put into the fire. First set of mantras. Why? Because this is the Vedic law and the Vedic way. When we Pandits perform Havan, in this way, they have two types of Havan. You have Vedic Havan and Puranic Havan. The Puranic Havan is when you say Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah Swaha, Om, like this kind of thing, that's Puranic. But Vedic mantras don't have these words. Om Agni Jyotiragni Swaha, Om Agni Varcho Jyoti Varcha Swaha, Om Jyotiragni Agni Jyotir Swaha, Om Surya Jyoti Jyoti Surya Swaha, Om Surya Varcho Jyoti Varcha Swaha, Om Jyoti Surya Surya Jyoti Swaha, Raso Amritam Brahma Bhura Bhua Swasarum Swaha. This is Vedic from the Vedas. So there are many ways to worship and many people thinking which is the best way. And you get confused now. I'll tell you something. I just do puja, right? And people are asking, Baba, what puja to do? I say, how do you mean what puja to do? What you just do? All of them. I say, who is all of them? We put up 7 flags. Who is the 7th flag? Well, you go tell me now, we go put it. Let me tell you something. I'm a Pandit, right? I live off a puja. That is my work. I don't have no next work. But I'm going to tell you the truth. Only one puja you have to do, according to your Ishta Devata. When you go to your Baba and he give you a Rasi name, he tell you what is your fasting day and what is your God to worship. That is your pass key, your password, and a person to pass you over this world of illusion. Though you will come and do Durga Puja, though you will come and do Shivratri, though you will do Hanuman Jayanti, though you will do all the festivities, but you will hold on to your Ishta Devata. If you bless your house, you do Lakshmi Ganesh Puja. Your children have to write exam, you do Saraswati Ganesh Puja. But what puja you must do every day? Your Ishta Devata Puja. Every day you must do that and remember your Guru Mantra. That is all you need to do. That will build a spiritual foundation. But some people say, Baba, I meet at one chela after 15 years. Are you looking for you? I say, well, I forget you. He say, you go write back the month for me. I say, me can't remember you, your Rasi name, and how I go know what mantra, whatever you have to do. What happened? I write down everything for you? Yeah, but I lost the paper. So now when I have to give anybody anything, I WhatsApp it for them. They don't lose their phone. So this is the question, my friends. How much Devata you have to pray to? How many? Nobody in this mandir tonight? Say loudly, Hallana, how much? Who is that one? Ishta Devata. Say it. One. Because everyone comes from the one. Because you will have why do we have different Ishta Devata? Because of your karma and your spiritual evolution, you will arrive in a specific incarnation at a certain level, and there is a deity to assist you to move on to a next level. You don't get the liberation like this. You have to come lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. And so just as you go primary school, you have the ABC teacher. The ABC teacher will teach you common entrance. That's so. So as you will graduate and you'll move on, you'll move on, you'll move on, till you will not need any Devata to worship to get liberated. You would sit and worship on Omkara, the supreme reality, Nirakar Brahma, and be one with divine ecstasy. It wouldn't happen now. We all going to come back again. We all may meet again. but we may hopefully be on a higher level to evolve again and again. So don't worry. So what happens? You see, just as the Ganga is flowing into the ocean and many tributaries are flowing into the Ganga, so too Vishnu Bhagwan is expressing himself into different devatas and Devi form. And all the intelligent teachers explain this, that the Lord has many forms, but is one God. One river with various tributaries, but one God. You see, the scripture says it here, Tatha Ganga Pravahvaischa Bahubhe Vare Vartate Tathaiva Sarva Devesho Vishnu Prokta Maharshibhe. The 22nd verse of the 8th chapter of the first volume explain it just so. Just as the Ganga is one, but there are many tributaries in the river, so too Vishnu is one, but there are many tributaries. One Bhagwan. One Bhagwan. And so what happens as they are speaking like this and talking about the Lord? Why is Vishnu Bhagwan? If he is the highest, why he is being corrupted? Why has he to go to sleep? Why is a Devi controlling him? As we chant Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, let us say what happened. Devi Mata ki!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, 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 Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Vedvamsope Banteva Puraneva Parigayane Rohane Triyadrishta Shaktista Harai Palsa Ita Go!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Hare Sanhar Saktista Suruja Sakti Prakashika Dharadharana Saktista Shesha Kurve Tathaiva Cha Go!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam.
ओम नमो नारायणाय कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। प्राय सभी पुराण तथा विद्वान ऐसा कहते हैं कि ब्रह्मा में सृष्टि करने की शक्ति, विष्णु में पालन करने की शक्ति, शिवजी में संहार करने की शक्ति, सूरज में प्रकाश करने की शक्ति तथा शेष और कच्छप में पृथ्वी को धारण करने वाली शक्ति संभावित विद्यमान रहती है। And so Suji Maharaj said, the wise people say, and it is also recited in the Puranas, that the primal force is existing in Brahma as the creative force. That primal energy is existing in Vishnuji to cause sustenance of the creation. That primal force is in Lord Shiva that gives him the power to destroy. It is in the force of the Surya to give the light. It is a force that gives Sesanag the power to hold up the universe. It is the power that gives Kachap, the tortoise, to hold the Mandara mountain on his back. That is a force. Who is that force? Namo Narayanaya Nama Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. इसी प्रकार एकमात्र वे आद्य शक्ति ही स्वरूप भेद से सभी में व्याप्त रहती है। वे ही अग्नि में दाह कृत्वा शक्ति तथा वायु में संचार शक्ति है. This power he is telling, is present in the fire to cause it to burn. It's in the presence of the wind to cause it to move. It is present in everywhere in various manifestations, this energy. कुंडलिनी शक्ति के बिना शिव भी शव बन जाते हैं. That energy is the Kundalini Shakti of Lord Shiva. If that is not there, Bhagwan Shiva becomes shav. Shav means a dead body. At the base of your spine, there is a place where the sleeping serpent power is. And through meditation, through yoga, you can able to make that serpent awaken and start traveling through your chakras. And when that serpent, you see every Devata Nelly, you see have a snake with them. That snake represents time, it represents death, but it represents Kundalini Shakti. When the serpent arises and opens its hood, he's awake. The 1,000-petal lotus begins to shine. And if you can keep that energy always awaken, you become a Devata. That is the difference between a Devata and a human. We can raise our spirituality, and when we get caught in Maya, everything go away. But if you will keep your spirituality always open and awakened, 1,000-headed snake, 1,000-headed lotus, Kundalini has opened. And if you maintain the Kundalini always open, you are always aware, you become a Dev. You become a God, a deity. And that is only the difference between you and me. You and the Devata. There's no difference except one. One is keeping it spiritually always aware, and next of us, today we fast, tomorrow we don't fast. Today when we have holiday, we go Sita go Mandir, tomorrow is a fasting day, Tuesday. You know, like that kind of thing. When you hold on to spirituality, how many people today fasting, but thinking when they fasting go down? He had a fella give me a story, he used to work in Ekiaf, and they had animals and mining. So a fella come there, I want a ram goat. He said, well look here, see which one you want to go buy, choose one. He said, okay. He said, no, I'm paying for it now, but I have a jug next week. When the jug done, I'll come back to take it, we go have a party. So whole jug here thinking about Ram, Bhagwan, he thinking about Ram goat. You know, he thinking, he doing the jug, but when the jug go down, what I go do after? When you do a puja, when you do a fasting, when you do some sacrifice in this way, vrat, what we call vrat, it is to change you. So you move from one treader on the spiritual step to a next one. You don't go back down. Because the moment you go back down, you don't go back down one step, you go down 5 steps. Because all your spirituality that you have acquired, one drop of poison of this material world destroys everything. So you can fast and develop your spirituality to the highest, and one mistake will not take you one step back, it brings you back to the bottom. We must be very careful why we are doing what we are doing and what is our motivation. All this world is pain, all this world is pleasure, but it is not divinity. It is not Sachida Ananda. And we get caught up, my friends. We get caught up in many things. You know, this world is very, we come here, one day you're born, one day you grow up, one day you might marry and thing, and one day छोटी से ये जिंदगानी रे 4 दिन की जवानी तेरी हाय रे हाय हम की कहानी
हाय गम की कहानी तेरी
जिंदगानी रे चारे दिन की जवानी तेरी हाय रे हाय गम की कहानी तेरी
शाम हुई यह देश वीराना, तुझको अपने बलम घर जाना, सजन घर जाना।
सजन घर जाना सजन घर जाना
ओ शाम हुई यह देश वीराना, तुझको अपने बलम घर जाना, सजन घर जाना। राह में मूर्ख मत लुट जाना, मत लुट जाना। छोटी सी ये जिंदगानी रे, चार दिन की जवानी तेरी
हाय रे हाय गम की कहानी तेरी
की कहानी तेरे आए रे की कहानी तेरे
बाबुल का घर छूटा जाए, अखियन घोर अंधेरा छाई, जी दिल घबराए।
घबराए जिन घबराए
हाँ, बाबुल का घर छूटा जाए, अखियन घोर अंधेरा छाए, जी दिल घबराए। आंख से कपटे दिल का खजाना, दिल का खजाना। छोटी सी ये जिंदगानी रे, चार दिन की जवानी तेरी हाय रे हाय हम की कहानी तेरी। छोटी सी ये जिंदगानी रे, चार दिन की जवानी तेरे हाय रे हाय हम की कहानी तेरी। Life is short, my friends. This is the song that I take to Chesa with you. This is not a song to go by the river and wind down low to. This meaning, you see, we don't know the language, so you take bhajan and thing and you're drinking rum and falling down and chatpatain all about. Choti se ye zindagan. This is called nirgun mani, metaphoric language. Life is short, 4 days you only have to live. Sham hui yah des birana. Evening has come and you are in a strange land. This earth is a strange land. Evening means old age. तुझको अपने बलम घर जाना, सज्जन घर जाना. You want to go to your beloved home. Who is your beloved? भगवान. राह में मूर्ख मत लूट जाना. This road you are taking a fool. Don't get rubbed on it. Don't take a detour. Walk your journey. What are we doing? बाबुल का घर छूटा जाए. Babul ka ghar mean when you girl get married, she left she father's house and then go away to she husband. But and she go cry and think, no? Babul, you know, and they go start to cry and think. But you know what it means in metaphoric language, nirgun mani, this body where you enjoy plenty. When your soul come out of the body and you go into darkness, then you say, oh, how my eyes fool me, and I have lost my way. Instead, I am going to the Lord, I am going in darkness. So you are here for 4 days. Whether you live for 1 year or 100 years, you have been living for thousands and thousands of years. And this little life you have here now, my friends, I don't care what you did, and God don't want to know what you did. What are you doing here? Just as the night comes and brings darkness and the sun brings a promise of a new day, so too, as long as you're alive, you can become liberated. No matter how low, how hard you may have fallen in this life, as long as the soul is in this body, you can get up and walk. Get up and move. Let your mistakes be the foundation upon which you will build spiritual success. Mistakes are made to teach us. That's why I call a mistake. When you do something wrong and you realize it's a wrong, then it's a mistake. If you make a mistake, you can only make a mistake one time. If you do it 2 times, that means you're curious. If you do it 3 times, you like it. And if you do it 4 times, you will go change, bhai. You understand? So when you realize your mistake, when you realize your sinful ways, no one must judge you when you within your heart know of your faults and your frailties, and you decide you want to change. In this life, right now, you can change. In this life, no matter who you are, no matter what you are, what people tell you you are, you can become liberated. And so we come back to Katha. So Bhagwan Shankar, who has a Kundalini Shakti, that Shakti, when it leaves him, he becomes dead. He becomes lush, he becomes shaw. Vidwan lok Shakti hin jeev ko nirjeev evam asamartha kahte hai. He's telling, in this whole universe, whoever that person may be, he cannot do anything unless he has Shakti. What he has to have? What is Shakti? The energy. Shakti means in physics. Shakti is mentioned in physics. It is called pure energy. That which is vibrating the atom is called Shakti, pure energy. And the atoms vibrate and they come together and they form molecules and so forth and so forth and so forth. The whole universe is Shakti. You have Shakti. This camera have Shakti. That Bhai Vivek Holinde. Shivji here is in front of the laptop. That is living too. In Sanatan Dharma, nothing is dead. Because Shakti in the plastic have atoms. Not so. Not so, why? And? You do science, and? So you know that. Everything has an atom. That speaker box have an atom. That cloth hanging there had an atom. This laptop with this Devi Bhagwat, because Hindi little small, it is better for me, have atoms. The ghanta, the diya, the bag, my clothes, these flowers, everything is living. Everything is vibrating with the Shakti. What is that? Then if Shakti is in everything, then everything is divine, then where is the sin and where is the bad and where is the discrimination? We are all vibrating with divinity. Can you understand that? Know this and don't ever feel depressed. Know this and never be dejected. Know this and never feel you have no value, because everyone from the highest king to the lowest pauper, from the highest being of life to the most inanimate, subtle creation is equal, because all of us are vibrating with what? Said, what is sleep away again? Say it loud na, jor se na, halla na. You know, I have a problem. I don't know if my ears don't hear good. But I just only hear this side, I don't hear that side. So let's take quiet. What do we have in me? Good. They have people with very soft voice. We have Shakti. Shakti is pure energy. Pure energy is Devi. The Devi is the highest. Because who is the Devi? I go stop the Kathana when we go home. Who is Devi? The highest name of the Lord is Om. Not so. But The next side of the coin, Ma. You go before the mother. You sit before the altar and you say, Ma. Your eye full with tears. Your heart start to tremble. You feel her immediately, just like a child playing there, and fall down and say, Ma! Mother drop pot, spoon, everything and run go. That is the power of Ma. Ma. Adi Shakti. She is the energy of the three Murti, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. But to make it simple for the people to understand of small intellect, they say she come the wife. But because the wife is the foundation of the husband, because the wife is the power of the husband, because the wife is the greatest benefactor of the husband. Not so. The educated Pandits made it simple for the simple man to say that Devi is the wife. But no, she is the puppeteer and the devatas are dancing according to her direction. That is why she is Yogamaya. She is the supreme. It is told, Par Brahm Paramatma ke Shakti ka naam Bhagavati. The supreme entity of the universe is manifested. His power is a feminine aspect. Bhagavati. You understand? So when we do Durga Ma Puja, you're doing prayers to the Supreme Ma. As we chant Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, let us say what happens.
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama,
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama,
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Evam sarvatra bhuteshu stavareshu chareshu cha brahmadista varyatam brahmandesmi matapagao.
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Shaktihin to nindyam syadvastu matram characharam ashakta satru vijayate gamane bhojane tatvagao.
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
This energy is so powerful that Brahma cannot even lift a blade of grass without the Shakti. That anyone who is fighting a war, who is toiling in the field, who is even eating a simple morsel of food cannot do so if there is no Shakti in their body. If you have no power, you can't eat. No? Look at it. Let me give you a nice example. A person gets stroke. They're alive, but they can't move their own hand. They can't move their own foot. They can't open their mouth. They're alive and they're aware, but they are without Shakti. They are helpless. So too the devatas become, so too creation become without Shakti. Shakti is the divine energy that is already here, already permeating the universe. We are breathing Shakti. We are eating Shakti. We are sleeping Shakti. You're consummating in Shakti. Everything is Shakti. There is nothing else but divinity. And there is where we have to tune our minds. Otherwise, we are living in a dream and will continue to dream. We have to take our mind from the dream state to the awakened state, the conscious state, that nothing exists, that we are already in the divinity. But we are in the divinity and we are having nightmares. You are dreaming. You are dreaming. This is not reality. You think you have a wife, you think you have a husband, you think you have a job, you think you have a family, you think you have enemy, you think you have poverty, you think you have wealth, you think you're the prime minister, you think you're the opposition leader. No, you're dreaming that. Reality comes to you when you die. Then you wake up and say, oh boy. But because what you were dreaming will put you in an extreme. The last thought that you were thinking will give you a future existence. But will give you a future dream. So we have to get rid of it. This is why you have to do some meditation. This is why you have to do japam. And the best mantra to jap is your Guru mantra. To purify your mind, to purify your heart, to uplift your spirit. When do you remember your Guru mantra? Every day you must recite it. This is the covenant you made with the Guru. How much time you have to say Guru mantra to get the Shakti, you know? You ever ask your Guru that? He poke a mantra in your ears. You ever ask him how much you have to say it? How much are you going to pay me to tell all you? I want to buy a next car. You have to say your Guru mantra 10 million times. 1 crore. 10 million times. When you couldn't say that? Meaning every moment think of the mantra. It's not the Guru you're thinking about. The Guru put you on a pathway and you now have to continuously fuel your journey with the mantra that he gave to you. It doesn't matter what you eat, what you drink, what you do, it's done inside of you already. Every moment in your life, think of your Guru mantra, think of the deity, and you will be set free. Because when the Guru says it in your ears, it goes into your body and it stains every nook and cranny of your body, mind and spirit. So you are the personification of the mantra. Now to have the power of the mantra, you have to recite the mantra 10 million times. When you say that 10 million times, you're going to be liberated. 10 million times. Every day you chant, every day you chant, every day you chant at least 16 malas a day. And when you chant 16 malas a day, I always say it in my yajna, when you chant 16 malas of a Guru mantra, your karma, your evilness, all the negativity starts leaving you. When you chant 32 malas a day, next life you're going to be born in a higher form. When you chant 54 malas a day, you will go to some higher loka to exist. When you chant 108 mala a day, you get mukti. 108 mala for Guru mantra jap should take you about 3 minutes. So 3 minutes for 108 times. By 100 is 300 minutes plus 8, so 324 minutes. Divide that by 60. At least 5 hours a day you have to chant mantra. But you have to graduate to that. Not now. You start with one mala na. Start saying it 2 times self-day, and when you start building the energy of chanting, by the time you will arrive at an older age, when you don't have to work, you will start to go on to do more and more and more and more. 54 in the morning, 54 in the evening. When you do japa, you have to do no other ritual. Because in the body all the devatas are there, and by continuously jumping the mantra, the nerves in your body are invigorated by the energy of the mantra, and all the devatas become alive inside of you. The Shakti that is latent in you becomes alert and aware. I want you to try this experiment. Do jap. Do jap for 1 month. We are in the Kartik month. You're not supposed to eat dead thing in box. You're not no funeral agency to tote dead. For 1 month, in this Kartik month that will begin, I want you to chant your Guru mantra every day. Start with a mala, maybe do 2 malas. Start doing japa, and you will tell me at the end of Kartik how your life has changed. At the end of the first week, you will tell me how your mind has changed. Doing jap helps you spiritually, helps you physically, helps you mentally. Now we come back to Katha. This Devi, this Adi Shakti, she has 2 forms, Nirgun and Sagun. People who are addicted to sense objects, who want material things, who are still living in the material world will worship the Lord like in the form of the murtis. And those who want liberation, because when you look at the murti represents a philosophy of giving to the material. But when you realize spirituality, you sit reciting your mantra and thinking between your eyebrows of divine light and reciting the mantra that is specific to you, and you will see divinity. And so, my friends, this Divine Mother of the universe gives to everyone dharma, artha, kama, moksha, righteousness, acquisition, enjoyment and liberation. And so I give this to you. In this our final sloka, let us hear what happens.
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, 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 Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Tasmadita Shakti Sada Sevya Vedva Vikritinata Nishchaya Sarva Shastranam Jatavyo Muni Satamam. Go!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Krishna Chomaya Cheta Gyatam To Narada Vidusaka Shatena Pe Brahmana Vishnu Vakyata. Go!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
And so Narada is telling the wise man who firmly knows this should serve the highest Shakti every day. So I have settled this desire of yours to know the highest. I have heard this secret from my father, Vyas Muni. He heard it from Narad Muni. Narad heard it from his own father, Brahmaji. And Brahmaji heard this knowledge from Lord Vishnu. O Munis, if Lord Vishnu has declared this, the highest form of divinity is Shakti. She is the mother of the universe. She is your mother, she is your father, she is everything. And as we close tonight, I want you to go home with this message, that mother is your everything, and she will give you all that is necessary. तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही गाओ तुम्ही हो माता
पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो
तुम्ही हो साथी तुम्ही सहारे कोई न अपना सेवा तुम्हारे तुम्ही हो साथी तुम्ही सहारे कोई न अपना सेवा तुम्हारे तुम्ही हो नैया तुम्ही खेवैया तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो माता
पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो
जो खेल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं तुम्हारी चरणों के धूल हम हैं जो खेल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं तुम्हारी चरणों के धूल हम हैं दया के दृष्टि सदा ही रखना तुम्ही हो बंधु तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु
सखा तुम्ही
हो बंधु
सखा तुम्ही हो
You are my everything, O Mother. I want you to go home with this feeling tonight in your life that mother is your everything and she will give you everything. And no matter what transpires in your life that will give you pain and darkness, she will always be the inner light of joy to see you through the storms of life. So my friends, here ends my message this evening. Tomorrow we will continue. Friday we have Aaj Shakti Puja. Bring your lal chunari, your red orani to offer. Bring your fruits, your offering, your flowers, or if you have nothing, just bring yourself and bow before Divine Mother. On Sunday we have Kanya Puja at 5 p.m. Everyone is invited. If you have nothing to offer, no one is watching and judging you. Come and Aarti the Nau Kanya and get the darshan and blessing of the Devis. So my friends, those of you who wish to go with us, we are going to Tariko Bay on the 2nd of October. Okay. 2nd of October is Dasmi and we'll be going there, leaving the mandir. You can meet us at the beach and you can go with us. If you don't have vehicles and you want to go with us, $50 a maxi is taking. You give your names when Katha is finished. We can keep your names and you can pay a night before you go. We have VeggieQ tickets on sale, and those of you on the television, we're glad if you could help us. $35 for a ticket is helping us a long way to get the PA system back in the mandir that some unfortunate souls went and thief, you know. But that is all right. The speaker might bust their ears, you know, when they play too loud. So, you know, I don't worry. You help me to get back new speakers, and I'm grateful for all the people who my brother Ravi has arranged to give us, lend us music system till we will get our own. So we're selling VeggieQ tickets 13th of November is our VeggieQ. So we are asking you to help us that we can repurchase some music system for the mandir. So my friends, may Bhagwan bless you. After Aarti, you can all come take darshan of Divine Ma, do Aarti, bow to her. Dinner is lovingly prepared for everyone. And to all of you who have come from far and wide, locally especially, everyone, may Bhagwan bless you all. Let us all stand now for Aarti. Praise the Durga Maiya ki!
सुनो मोरे देवी पर्वत बासे तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
देवी पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
मोरी देवी पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियर
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियर
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
अरे लोई तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया लई तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया गाओ जय अंबिका
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
दुआ चोली तेरे अंग विराजे
हुआ चोल तेरे अंग विराज
अरे दुआ चोली तेरे अंग विराजे
हुआ चोल तेरे अंग विराज
अरे केसर तिलक लगाया केसर तिलक लगाया अरे सुनो
मोरे देवी पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
नंगे पाँव तेरे अकबर आकर नंगे पाँव तेरे
अकबर
अरे सोने का छत्र चढ़ाया सोने का छत्र चढ़ाया रे भैया
मोरे देवी
हाँ।
पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बना देवालय ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बना
बनाने वाले
कले जुग राज सभाया कले जुग राज सभाया गाओ
मोरी देवी पर्वतवासी
वासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
मोहन भोग लगाया
मोहन भोग लगाया
अरे सुनो मोरी देवी
पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
भानु भगत मैया तेरी गुण गावे
भानु भगत मैया तेरे गुण
हे
गावे
मैया भानु भगत मैया तेरी गुण गावे
भानु भगत मैया तेरे गुण गावे
अरे मन वांछित फल पाया
मन वांछित फल पाया
अरे सुनो
मोरी देवी पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
अरे सुनो
मोरे देवी पर्वतवासी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया
अरे
तेरा पार न पाया
अरे
तेरा पार न पाया
Let us clasp our hands and close our eyes as we meditate upon the Divine Mother to bless us all tonight in Mandir, and those of you all looking on television, may Bhagwan bless you all. Looking on the internet, may Bhagwan bless you all. Wherever you are in this world, we join together as a family. Let us worship together as you all surrender before the grace of Adi Shakti Bhavani Mata. Hari Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritam Gamaya Durga Devi Namostute Tvameva Mata
बन्धु जसका त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव हरि ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम।
प्रेज दुर्गा मैया की
जय।
महालक्ष्मी माता की
जय।
महासरस्वती मैया की
जय।
श्री काली माता की
जय।
उमापति महादेव की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय उड़ैसा जगन्नाथ की जय वृंदावन कृष्ण चंद्र की जय अयोध्या राम लला की जय सियापति रामचंद्र की सद्गुरु की दंडवत जय जय
राम